The andropause attack, a real challenge for men after 30. The andropause attack is a real problem that many men face after the age of 30. This natural decline in hormones affects the body's ability to stay strong and healthy. Common symptoms include fatigue, joint pain, weight gain, and a noticeable drop in libido. Men may also struggle with concentration and experience a decrease in energy levels. As hormone levels drop, it becomes harder to build muscle, leading to a loss of strength and stamina. This can impact your ability to maintain a healthy lifestyle and affect both work and relationships. Thankfully, there are steps men can take. A balanced diet, regular exercise, and getting enough sleep are key. Additionally, taking supplements and vitamins can also help boost lost hormones, promoting muscle growth and restoring vitality. Interested to know more? Talk to our specialist, Dr. Naveen, and take control of your health.